Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to keep Slack active. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to keep your Slack active, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after that tap to your profile at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see this set yourself active option. Just simply tap into that set yourself active option, and then your Slack will be activated until you tap into that set yourself as away option again. By following this very easy step, you can easily keep yourself active in Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.